DADDYGVILLE'S world.
What's up, everyone? It is October, which means time for Halloween crafts for kids and cooking videos. Today, we're going to show you how to make spiders out of egg cartons, pipe cleaners, and googly eyes. And at the end of this video and in the description, I'm going to put some of our last year's videos. If you haven't checked them out, we got Bloody Fingers and Fries, which was a lunch video, and we got our haunted house short film that the whole family helped make. Step 1. Get your egg carton that you're going to use and cut out 2 of the egg holders. Now that you got them all cut out, don't throw the rest of it away because we got another project for you guys on the way. Step 2. Now you could get the brushes out and have the kids paint these black, but it makes a little bit of a mess, but it's fun for the kids. Now myself, I just went and spray painted them. Step 3. Once they're dry, you'll have to put 4 holes on each side. Myself, I use the screws, that way I don't rip the cardboard. Step 4. Now get your pipe cleaners and push them through the holes, but make sure they're exact on the same side. Push them all the way through, then bend them up, and then bend them down into the middle. And then there's your legs. Step 5. Now get your googly eyes, get your glue, and put 2 small dots on the body of where you want his face and glue the eyes on. Now you can put more eyes than just 2, but we've got a ton of other projects that we want to do with these eyes, so we don't want to use them all up on just one project. And they're done. Here's some footage of me and my boys making ours.
You gonna talk to me? No? Hey,
What?
we're twins.
My
Oh my goodness, look. We're twins and they're twins. Oh, that is so cool, man. Huh. Yeah, they're twins. Look.
No, it's hard to play pins. They are. You're not letting me. Whoa.
Hey, twin. My twin. Here we go. Bye-bye now.
Way too much.
Spider Wars. Ugh. Ugh.
Ugh.
Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a video.
You're getting all hung up on imaginary problems. You gotta focus on what's real, man.